In this video, you'll learn about the data fields configuration options for specifying key fields, client required fields, and patient required fields. eVetPractice, by default, only requires the client's first and last names when entering in a new client. Additionally, when adding in a patient, eVetPractice requires name, sex, species, breed, and status information. In order to change these settings, you need to go to your gear icon and choose the Data Fields menu option. The Data Fields configuration area is actually broken up into two parts. The first part is the client data key fields. These are fields that you can have the system look at to see if the new client could possibly already exist in the system. By default, the system will look to see if there is an existing client with the same first and last name. You can add in email, address, and phone number as additional pieces of information that we should look at before successfully creating a new client. If the system finds a duplicate, you will get a warning message asking you if you want to create the new client anyway or cancel out. In order to choose items, you will click on them with your mouse. If you need to highlight multiple items, hold down your Control key. The second part of the configuration screen is the data field section. Here you can change which fields are required on the client and patient records when trying to create new ones. When creating a new client, in addition to having first name and last name specified, if you'd also like to have the phone number specified, just highlight phone number with your mouse. If you would also like address to be a required field as well, hold down your Control key so you can do multi-selections. For patient required fields, again, eVetPractice is always going to require name, sex, species, breed, and status information. These are additional pieces of information that you can also be flagged as being required before you can successfully save and continue on when adding in a new patient to the system. If you have made any changes to the key fields or the data field settings, make sure you hit the Save button. One thing you need to keep in mind when you are determining if there are any other additional client required fields or patient required fields is the effect that it has when you are scheduling an appointment. When creating a brand new client, if you have chose any other fields outside of email, address, and phone number to be required, it will remove the option from the appointment scheduling screen to click to quickly create a client and patient. If you have required any additional fields for the patient required fields, that too will take away the option from your appointment scheduling screen to quickly create a client and patient. If you do need to require those additional types of fields for creating brand new clients as well as creating brand new patients that would take away the click to quickly create option, you still have other methods for being able to create brand new clients and brand new patients within eVetPractice. You just won't be able to do that directly from the appointment calendar itself.